Hello students, let us take a question based on NCEA Level 1 based on the topic of percentage on the subtopic that is the population trends. So here the given to us is a table for town Riverton and Hillview. Okay, the 2022 populations is 15,000 and 14,500. Now, 2023 population changes is increase of 12%, and then in 2024, there is a decrease of 5% in Riverton. And in Hillview, there is an increase of 8% in 2023 and a decrease of increase of 2% in 2024. So now the question is, which town has the largest population at the end of 2024? This we have to show by full working. Okay, so we know that first of all, we are calculating for the Riverton. So in Riverton, in 2023, there is an increase of 12%. That means the total population will be 112% of 15,000. So 112 by 100 into 15,000. So when you multiply 112 by 15, so your population 150, sorry, is 16,800. This is the population at the at 2023. Now there is again a decrease of 5% in 2024. So the population in 2024 will be 95% of the population which was there in the 2023. So in 2023, we had already calculated the population was 16,800. Okay, so now the population is 16,800's 95%, that is 15,960. So at the end of 2024, the population of Riverton is 15,960. Now I'm going to calculate for the Hillview. There is an increase of 8% in 2023. That means in 2023, the population will be 108 times of 108% of 14,500. So 108 by 100 into 14,500. So that will be when we simplify this. Okay, we see that the zeros get cancelled out and 108 into 140 is left. So the product is 15,660. That is 15,660 is the population at the end of 2023. Now there is again an increase of 2% on over this population in 2024. So in 2024, the population will be again 102% of 15,660. Okay, so when you simplify this, you will have 15,97320 by 100. So which is giving you an population in decimal, but actually the population can never be in decimal. So we are going to round it off. So it will be 15,973. This is the population at the end of 2024. Okay, so we can see over here that there is an increase, there is more population as compared to Riverton and Hillview. So our answer is Hillview. Thank you.